Hi, I'm Daniel Shah from the Matillion partner team. We love our partners. They're a huge driver of our success. Together, we've built some successful partnerships and helped hundreds of customers make their data useful. In this video, you're going to hear from some of our partners on what makes a successful partnership and why they decided on Matillion.
I think the keys to a successful partnership are first and foremost to bring each other deals and business. We're gonna do a lot more together than we ever would do separately.
A shared commitment to getting the customer the best solution for their data needs.
Does the product work well? Does it solve a problem that our customers have? And is it something that we think we have a market for?
And finally, you have to have accountability. So the ability to kind of keep each other in check, make sure that if you're making promises to one another, you're following through on those promises.
So I think the partnership works really well because we have tight communication between all of our teams, alliances, sales, marketing.
Matillion is a great product. It's easy for us to recommend Matillion to many of our clients. In addition, the partner and account teams are super responsive and helpful.
We've really enjoyed working with the individuals at Matillion, whether that's in support or that's the alliances folks that we work with every day. It's a lot of great people at Matillion.
I couldn't imagine us being as successful with the tool as we are if we didn't have that line of communication from the very beginning.
Matillion makes a really great commitment to regular meetings, a lot of syncing on Slack, a lot of communication.
I think that customers are able to see the value of our partnership, especially when we're working on support cases.
For one particular client, their InfoSec required filling out an extensive questionnaire. Matillion account team was able to fill that out and return it to us on a tight deadline. And in the end, I think the client better understood the value of Matillion's product.
We've been in their shoes before. I've personally led data teams at great companies like Salesforce and Pop Sugar. And I know how important it is for their career, to pick the right technology and do things right the first time. So we bring all that to the table together, and the customer is going to feel much more supported and set up for success.
When the customer has a challenge, they can count on Slalom and Matillion to work together to address their issue.
Yeah, in my experience, data teams have a lot of choices for tools now.
In my experience, Matillion can handle pretty much any data challenge, and most tasks can be accomplished in multiple ways.
Yeah, so Matillion helps us address data challenges by making things really easy to do. So we can do data ingestion, we can do transformation.
Matillion kind of runs the gamut on what data challenges we see with customers, and it's really flexible in allowing us to build a solution that fits the customer's needs. So we don't have to kind of pick and choose different parts of the Matillion platform to solve our customers' data problems. We can really just use Matillion for almost all of them. I haven't really run into a situation where we've had to introduce another tool when Matillion is involved.
And it also helps those analytics teams and data teams can move faster by not requiring so much sort of fiddly SQL query writing and custom development. So, for us, we see a lot of customer data analytics teams and data engineering teams implementing Matillion, potentially maybe after they've tried an open source technology or tried writing their own software, and we've seen massive performance improvements because of that in those teams.
I think that as Matillion has matured, that same level of speed and kind of the agility that it offers the data team has only grown into other areas of data, and assuming that will continue to happen, I'm really excited to see that come.